Everyone likes to drink cold juice in summer. If that juice is made of watermelon, then it becomes so refreshing. Watermelon is not only responsible for the cooling sensation, it also has many healthy benefits. Its juice is equally beneficial for our skin if applied from outside. Very commonly, it is a great moisturizer which hydrates our dry skin. But watermelons are also rich in vitamin C that can encourage new collagen to grow, which helps to reduce signs of aging and revitalizes our skin. Its high water content nurtures our skin and makes it soft, supple and glowing. You can use this mashed melon to make this homemade face pack, but we always love the juice which make the face pack so creamy and easy to apply. Now we will take this small bowl of juice to make our remedy. Now we will add this small bowl of curd or plain yogurt to this recipe. The lactic acid present in the curd fights against wrinkles and early signs of aging. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of pure raw honey. Its healing and antioxidant properties help in tan removal, rashes and other skin issues in this summer. These face packs are not only formulated for face glow or skin whitening, but routinely use of this face mask can give you a fulfillment of healthy skin. Now mix all the ingredients well. It may be little runny. You have to apply it well on your face and wait until dry. Then you need to wash it off cool water. That's it. Very easy.